Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sell tickets on Ticketmaster. And it's really easy and simple. So first things first, of course, you want to sign into your account on the Ticketmaster app. And then you want to select your order in My Events and then just tap on Sell and sell your tickets. And if you receive a message that the event organizer hasn't actually activated resale, then your tickets are not eligible for resale, or Ticketmaster is basically not the primary ticket provider. So what you want to go ahead and do, guys, is next just select the tickets you actually want to sell and just tap on continue. Just follow the prompts, just choose your pricing, and you want to enter a payout method, okay? And you can also skip the hassle by choosing the debit card payout option, which requires no verification process on your part. And then just review your listing, guys, and you're basically done. And you'll be set to sell your ticket, and they will deposit your payout within typically 5 to 7 business days after your tickets are sold. So it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helps you out, and if it does, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.